Let us continue. So 50% of salary. So we know salary definition for HRA. Salary definition basic pay plus DA that should enter into service benefits. So I'm writing here salary means basic pay plus DA that should enter into service benefits. That should be written, right? So per month we are getting how much? 12,000 salary. Think that we are finding out our own DA, HRA plus DA 4,000 is there. From that 4,000 we have to take only half, because half is entering into service benefits. So we have to take 2,000 into 2. 2,000 into, we have to do 12 into 12. From 4,000 we are taking half, 50%. Okay. So 12,000 plus 2,000, how much? 14,000 into 12 months. So we are getting some 1,68,000 as 68,000 as total salary. Into, we have to take 50% into 50%. 1,68,000 into 50%, getting 84,400, 50% of salary. Okay, we're getting 50% of salary as 50,800. Okay, next 2, Roman number 2. Actual HRA paid. Actual HRA. Okay, actual HRA we calculated 30,000. 20,000, 25 into 12. And third one we are saying rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid, how much is he paid rent? He is paying rent per month 3,000 per month. So 3,000 into 12 means 36,000. 3,000 into 12 we get 36,000 minus 10% of salary. So salary we are getting 168 into 10%. So we are getting 1,68,000 into 10%. We are getting 16,800. Okay, from 36,000 if we deduct 16,800 you get 19,200 as rent paid minus 10% of salary. So least of the three, what? 19,200 is least. Okay, so you write here taxable HRA. You have to write actual HRA minus. Okay, you have to write actual HRA minus how much you have received, that you have to write, minus exempted you have to write, minus exempted HRA. This 30,000 is given in question. Actual HRA 30 minus exempt is how much? 84, 30, 19,200. Whichever is least? Least is 19,200. 19,200 minus 30,000. So taxable is how much? 10,800. We have to write in the format. Taxable is 10,800. This is taxable HRA. So for the time being, you just concentrate how to find out a taxable HRA. That's it. Okay. It's very easy. What we have done, we are saying the assessee is living in the rented house at Chennai. Least of the three is exempt. So first we have to take 50% of salary, actual HRA, rent paid minus 10% of salary. So 50% of salary, again you have to find out the salary definition. So the question is says basic pay plus DA, that is service entered into service benefits. So basic pay is 12,000 per month and DA is 4,000. From that 50% we have to take, only 50% is entering into service. 2,000 is 12. So we're getting, when we multiply 12,000 plus 14,000 into 12%, you get 1,68,000 as salary. Okay, 1,60,000 as 68,000 salary, but then we have to take 50% of salary, 84,000 we are getting. HRA we have to take 25,000 into 12, that is 30,000 we got. Rent paid in the question is says 33,000 into 12, 36,000 minus 10% of salary. We have find out salary is 1,68,000 into 10%, 16,800. So we are getting 19,200. So least of the three is what? 19,200. So taxable HRA, actually how much we have received? 30 minus least is how much? 19,200. 10,800 is what? Taxable HRA. This is taxable HRA. This we have to find out. This will again ask for 5 marks. Okay, this is very much important. Okay, so number 3 is saying what will it make any difference if he's staying in Hyderabad paying a rent of 2,000? Obviously, in Chennai he's staying and paying rent 3,000, and in Hyderabad he's staying and he's paying a rent of 2,000. Okay, Hyderabad is non-metro. So we have to take 40% of salary, 40%. So C will do now. What we are saying, when he is living at Hyderabad, okay, Hyderabad, again list of the following is exempt, okay, so we'll write list of the following is exempt. So first is what? First one, 40% of salary. Why 40%? Because he's staying in Hyderabad. If he's staying in Hyderabad, 40%. Metro city is 50%. Chennai is a metro city. He's staying in Chennai. But where he's staying? He's staying in Hyderabad. So 40%. So salary definition we know, 1,68,000 into 40%. 40%. Okay. So do 1,68,000 into 40%. It's 67,200. Okay. Number 2. What is that? Actual HRA received. Actual HRA. So how much is actually in our solution? We have find out that is 30,000. That remains same. Actual HRA remains same. 25,000 to 12. 30,000 remains same. Next 3. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent how much he paid? 2,000 into 12. See, he is staying in Hyderabad and paying how much rent? 2,000 into 12 minus 10% of salary will be 16,800. So 12,000 into 12, 2,000 into 12, 24,000. This will comes to 24,000. 24,000 minus 16,800. So you get 7,200. Okay, 7,200. Then taxable HRA. Actual HRA minus exempted HRA you have to do. Okay, actual is 10,000 minus exempted is how much? 7,200. We get 22,000 as taxable HRA. Okay, so this much is taxable. 30,000 is actual HRA, from that exempt is 7,200. So taxable is how much? 22,800 is taxable. See, when he is staying in a house, his own house, that is not exempt. When he is staying in Chennai, that is a house, metro city, 50% of salary. When he is staying in non-metro, that is Hyderabad, 40% of salary. Okay, so this will be again asked for 5 marks. This is important. Okay, Pakka question will come HRA or rent from accommodation. That we see in PAK visits. So first we'll see HRA. This is important. So we'll do one more question. Okay, now see what he says. Mr. Rahul is working at Mumbai. So Mumbai is metro, right? Metro city. Had Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. So Mumbai is a metro city. So his particulars, his pay particulars are basic pay 80,000 per annum, and DA is 40% per annum. Enters into service benefits. Commission also we have to concentrate. Commission should be on turnover. He is saying only simply commission. He should say in brackets turnover. On turnover is to say. Bonus we know it required. Arrears of salary is 12,000. Okay, so how much is receiving arrears of salary? 12,000 is receiving. House rental allowance 36,000. Rent paid is 60,000 and calculated is taxable HRA. So this information is giving and you have to find out his taxable HRA. Okay, so we don't want arrears of salary. For a salary we have definition of basic pay plus DA and commission. The commission that also have to earn into on what? Turnover. So he is not saying turnover, don't take commission. So we can take basic pay and we can take basic pay and DA. Okay, so we'll write here. So Rahul is living in rented house. How we know how rented house? How we come to know? Because he is paying rent of 60,000 per annum. So by that we can say he is staying in rented house. Okay, and in Mumbai, that is metro city. Okay, so he is entitled to an exemption. So to him we can give as exemption. Okay, So exemption is, we know, least of the following. Least of the following. Okay. So we can write here first first one. What is that? Actual HRA received. You can write in a sequence or not in a sequence also. So actual HRA received is how much? Actual HRA we have received 36,000 we have received. So we can write directly 36,000 actual HRA received. Next we have to do 50% of salary. 50% of salary because he's staying in Mumbai, that is metro city. So salary we are having here, basic pay we are having 80,000 and DA we are having 40,000. 80,000 plus 40,000 into, we have to do 50%. Okay, so 1,20,000 into 50%, we are getting 60,000. It comes to 60,000. Okay, next Roman number 3 we are doing what? Rent pay minus 10% of salary. How much he paid rent? In the question it says rent paid is 60,000. See here, 60,000. So we write 60,000 minus 10% of salary. How much is salary? 1,20,000 he is getting. Into 10% we are getting 12,000. Okay. So 60,000 minus 12,000 we are getting 48,000. Okay, so we have done actual HRA is 36,000, 50% of salary, 80,000 plus 40,000, that is 50%. We have done, we got 60,000. 1,20,000 to 50%, we got 60,000. Rent paid, that is 60,000. Okay, minus 10% of salary, we are getting 10% of salary as 180 plus 40, 1,20,000. So 60 minus 12 is 48,000. So least is what? 36,000. So taxable HRA equal to HRA received minus exempted HRA. So how much taxable HRA received? 36,000 minus how much is exempt? 36,000 equal to nil. There is no need of paying tax. Okay, because HRA received is 36 and rent is actual HRA is 36 and the least is of the 3 is also 36. 3 is 36. That's why there is no tax on HRA. Okay, so like these problems we have to do. I want you to solve one problem.